Do you have any kids or grandkids that need to be entertained? I do. I saw this and I thought, what the heck is it? It's called ZipString. I reached out to them and they sent me one. So I'm opening it up with you here. This was actually on Shark Tank. I got purple. Purple makes me happy. You can scan it to see what kind of tricks you can do and scan it to see how to use it. All right, this is how it comes. It's in a nice little box. Now, you can tell it's made well. It's got a battery in here. It has a USB-C charging port right here. Let's see. Does it have the... Ah, there they are. I was like, I don't see any string. Green. It's got a little directions paper in here too. Here's a USB-C charging cord. Pink and yellow. I don't know if it's charged. It is. Okay, let's see. Alright. You're supposed to thread it in here, like floss it. I don't know. Is this right? Let's see. I'm gonna go with no, that's not right. Oh, maybe it was over on this side. And you hold it up. Oh, there it is. Look at this. Oh, snap. Do y'all see this? I was going to give this in a green sun, but I think I'm just going to keep it. Oh. Alright, and that's what happens. It's just a string, y'all. Don't sleep on this. It's a very cool Easter basket. Toys, birthday, anything. Let's do it one more time. Alright, let's just take it out. There you go. Don't sleep on it.